Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Find compound interest on 20,000 dirhams for 2 years and 6 months at 40% per annum compounded annually. So for compounding annually, we use the relationship A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power T, where amount is A is amount after given period, P is principal, R is rate of interest, and T is time for which principal is invested. Okay, so we are given that it is invested for 2 years and 6 months. So let's first calculate 2 years worth of amount, and then we'll do the same calculation for 6 months. Let's see. So amount for 2 years first. So P is 20,000 multiplied by 1 plus 40 by 100 to the power 2. That will be 20,000 multiplied by 140 by 100 to the power 2. So which is equal to 20,000 multiplied by 140 square is 19600 and 100 square is 10,000. So these 4 zeros cancel out and we are left with 0, 0, 6 twos are 12, 9 twos are 18 plus 1 is 19, 2 ones are 2 plus 1 is 3. So the amount after 2 years is 39,200 dirhams. Now for next 6 months we can use simple interest formula with this as principal. For next 6 months we can use simple interest formula with P equal to 39,200 dirhams. So let's do that. We know with simple interest, how do we find amount? We have to add P with PRT by 100. So 39,200 plus, let's see, 39,200 multiplied by 40 multiplied by 1 by 2. T is 6 months. So 6 months can be written as 6 by 12 years, which is half years. So this 2, 1 by 2 from 1 by 2 will go in the denominator, which will make the 100 as 200. So 39,200 plus 0, 0 will cancel out. This will be 20 and we are left with, let's see, 0, 4, 8, 7. So that will be, let's see how many dirhams. 0, 4, 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17 and 4. So 47,040 dirhams will be the total amount after 2 years and 6 months. So compound interest will be final amount minus initial principal, which is 47,040 dirhams minus 20,000, which gives us 27,040 dirhams. So final compound interest that we got is 27,040 dirhams. That's our answer.